Today we're exploring one of the most picturesque villages in the south of France, Saint Paul de Vence. Nestled in the hills between Nice and Antibes, this medieval gem is renowned for its rich history, artistic heritage, and breathtaking scenery. Join us as we wander through the charming streets of this enchanting village. Saint Paul de Vence is one of the oldest medieval towns on the French Riviera. Its history dates back to the 9th century, when it was founded as a fortified village to protect against invasions. Over the centuries, it has retained much of its historic charm, with its ancient walls and narrow, winding streets. As we enter through the Porte de Vence, the main gate, we're stepping back in time. These ramparts were built in the 16th century, under the orders of King Francis I to protect the village from invaders. The thick stone walls and watchtowers are a testament to the village's strategic importance during the Renaissance. Wandering through the village, you'll discover numerous art galleries and studios. Saint Paul de Vence has long been a haven for artists. Famous names like Marc Chagall, who lived here for nearly 20 years, found inspiration in its picturesque landscapes and vibrant light. Don't miss the Church of the Conversion of Saint Paul, a beautiful example of Romanesque architecture. Built in the 12th century, it features stunning stained glass windows and a peaceful interior that invites quiet reflection. As we stroll through the village, take the time to explore its charming shops, cafes and restaurants. From local crafts and souvenirs to delicious Provençal cuisine, there's something for everyone. Be sure to try the local specialties like ratatouille and tapenade. One of the highlights of Saint Paul de Vence is the breathtaking panoramic views. From various vantage points around the village, you can enjoy stunning vistas of the surrounding countryside and the distant Mediterranean Sea. Thank you for joining us on this delightful walk through Saint Paul de Vence. This village is a perfect blend of history, art, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination on the French Riviera. If you enjoyed this tour, please give us a like and follow ConnollyCove for more travel adventures. Until next time, au revoir.